Before you build AI automations, you need somewhere to run them. In this video, I will show you how to install n8n on your computer for free, open it in your browser, and make sure it actually works. First, go to Node.js org. Download the LTS version. LTS means it is the stable version most beginners should use. Run the installer and keep the default options. You do not need to customize anything for this beginner setup. After Node.js is installed, open command prompt. Type node -- version. If you see a version number, Node is working. Then type npm -- version. If you see another number, npm is working too. Now start n8n by typing npx n8n. The first time, it may ask if you want to install n8n. Type Y and press enter. When n8n finishes loading, you should see a local address, localhost : 5678. Open that address in your browser. Now you are inside n8n. Create your owner account, then you will land on the dashboard. Important: keep the command prompt window open. If you close it, local n8n stops. To start n8n again later, open command prompt and type npx n8n. That is the free local setup. In the next video, I will explain what n8n actually is in plain English.